Hey everybody, we're flipping out today. Gonna turn the steering wheel over on a 1968 Mustang Fastback. What I want to do today is address an issue with the 1968 Mustang. I got a steering wheel, right? Good times, great oldies. Have a horn ring. Slight problem, it's upside down. And it works that way just fine, but it's going to drive me crazy. So I need to go ahead and flip it. You are going to need a set of socket wrenches, a Phillips head stubby screwdriver, a steering wheel puller kit, an extra socket that actually fits over the nut that holds the steering wheel, and a big old tub of anti-seize, what is going to make the job go better. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the groovy 60s safety pad. Fun part is it's really hard to see. Lefty loosey. Okay, this thing is like moldy looking and screwed up, and it's actually one of the better pads I've seen. That's the sad part. All right, so our next step is gonna be simply to remove the ring, and we need to do that so that we can access the bosses that we're gonna use with our steering wheel puller. I think it's push and twist, and it might be to the left. I don't actually remember. Okay, spring action here. There's a dang old spring, what springs on your horny ring, and you've got to be aware that when you do your push and twist that the spring is likely to do springy things. Next we got to work on the loose nut behind the wheel. No, that one. Yep, 15/16. It's handy, really strictly for that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna see if I can just wiggle this thing off. It does happen sometimes. This wheel is falling apart. Oh, my steering wheel. It's OE. Now it's a pug toy. Yeah. Oh, I think I got to use the dang old steering wheel puller. There are a couple of threaded bits here and here. So right here and right here, you got you a couple of threaded bosses on your steering wheel. You got to figure out which one it is that screws into the threaded bosses. That one doesn't feel right. Let's try the fine thready one. Well, that feels good. I like that. So when you put it all together, what you end up with is a contraption of what looks like this. You're gonna screw in these threaded pieces into the bosses, and then this right here is gonna let you push on this center bit, the middle of your Death Spear steering wheel, and it's gonna just pull the steering wheel right out. Okay, so really step 0 is to just back this thing out, because otherwise you're gonna feel stupid. Insert one of them right here. Insert one of these right here. Far in as you can get it is a good idea, but you want them both to be in about the same depth. The more threads are grabbing on this thing, the better. 1/2 inch. And this right here is bigger than 1/2 inch. What is a bigger than 1/2 inch? 1/2, which is really 8/16, right? Math nerds. It's not gonna be 8/17. At least I know that. Okay, 9/16. Nope. I'll try 5/8. Nope. How about dang old 11/16? Yep. Usually with this kind of stuff, it just pops. Like it resists, and then bang, it's out. Oop, there it is. Okay. There it is. Blam. Okay. So all we got to do is turn her upside down like a there. So this is the correct orientation. We can double check. And look at our tines here, and it's 2 up, 1 down. So this is 2 up, 1 down. It all matches. Oh my God, that's terrible. I wonder if it actually caught on fire or if it just looks like it did. Who knows? Yeah, we'll deal with that later. And since we know we're coming back in, it's really not a bad idea to get you a whole bunch of this right here anti-seize lubricant, and it lets you lubricate something so that maybe you don't need a steering wheel puller every single time you take the wheel off, and it's really not a bad idea to stop the threads from galling anyway. And you will get this junk all over you. It's like a rite of passage. Get it on your face, get it on your hands, get it on your stuffs. There we go. And then we can put our dang old steering wheel back on there. Okay, our steering wheel is on there. Don't forget your spring. You got to use your spring. Cutouts, that's your clue. As pieces of steering wheel literally drop onto me. Hooray! Super crappy steering wheel flipped over. Mission accomplished. Alright, so we have flipped the steering wheel over on this 68 Mustang. I can't wait to get this car done. It's going to be awesome. Going to have nice paint, new interior, really going to make it a great daily driver. Imagine what you would do with this car. Make that thing fast and make it cool. Drive it as much as possible. That's what I want to do. If you liked what you saw, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, and we'll catch you next time.